Today, Chris Miller FPV has got me talked into competing in this power loop challenge. So sit back, folks, and enjoy. And if y'all think I'm that guy that's got to one-up everybody, nah, I'm not that guy. There's other guys way better at that than me. Timing is everything with these power loops, and the only tip I could give you if this makes sense out there is when you're doing one, just don't be afraid to tip your head on back. Just keep on a-coming. And anyone with a piece of property and very little will to mow can have one of these tracks in their yard. I've thought about dressing this little track up with pool noodles. If anybody got any other suggestions, I wouldn't mind hearing them.